Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix D3DX9_43.dll missing or not found in Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method one, you just need to open up Chrome and now check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. Select the first link, scroll down. Now you need to know your system bit. Go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here you can able to see your system bit. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now this is for 64-bit operating system. Download it. And this is for 32-bit operating system. Select the download option. In my case I have 64-bit, so I am downloading this file. After getting download and select this folder icon. Right click on the zip file and select extract all. Select extract. Right click on the DLL file and select copy it. Now go to this PC, local disk C, Windows folder, find system 32 folder, just double click on it. Right click on the blank area and paste it. Select replace the file in the destination. Select continue. And now go back to Windows and find syswow64, double click on it. Right click on the blank area and paste it. Select replace the file in the destination. Select continue. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to open up Chrome and search DirectX download. Press enter. Select the first link. Select the download option. After getting download and select the setup file and install it. Select yes. Select I accept the agreement and select next. Uncheck install the wing bar and select next. After the installation complete, you just need to select finish and close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.